Hello everyone, welcome to AYS Maths channel. This is question number 5 from paper January 2024 Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics paper 1. Question number 5 is I have two lines here, L1, L2. Okay, let's read the question. The straight line L1 shown in figure 1 passes through the point P minus 2 and 9 and Q 10 and 6. Find the equation of L giving neurons in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Okay, where m and c are the constants. So two coordinates are given, p minus 2 and 9. So this p here is p, so it is minus 2 and 9, and q is 10 and 6. Alright, so I need to find the equation of a straight line. So this line is L1. This is L1. Alright, so I have to form an equation of a straight line in y equals to mx plus c. So for that I need a gradient and I need y-intercept. Okay, let's get started. First find the gradient. So p is minus 2 and 9, and here q is 10 and 6. Let's find the gradient here, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 6 minus 9 over 10 minus 2. So 6 minus 9 is negative 3. And 10 minus 2 is positive 12. So m is minus 1 over 4. This is the gradient. Now I need to form an equation of a straight line. So I'm using here, you can use y equals to mx plus c as well. I'm using here y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So any one of the coordinate you can use because both the coordinates are passing through the line L1. So that doesn't matter. I'm using the q coordinate. So y is 6 and gradient is minus 1 over 4. X is minus 10. Alright. To collect like terms, simplify. I can move 4 to this side and multiply with 5 minus 6, or you can expand and bracket whatever. It's the same thing. Plus 10. Okay. Alright. So 4y minus 24 equals to minus x plus 10. So y equals to answer should be written in form of y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so minus x plus 10 plus 24, and which is minus x, this is 4y, and plus 34 divided by 4, so minus 1 over 4x plus 34 over 4. This is the equation of a straight line written in the form of y equals to mx plus c. The straight line, okay, next part is the straight line L2 passes through the origin O and is perpendicular to L1. So this is L2, this is the line L2, and it is perpendicular to L1 and passing through O. So O means origin, so x and y is 0, 0 here. And because this line is perpendicular to L1, so the gradient will be the negative reciprocal. So gradient for line L2 is the gradient for L1 was what was it? Minus 1 over 4, and for gradient for the negative reciprocal would be the negative reciprocal. The gradient of the perpendicular line is the negative reciprocal, so that would be 4x. I wrote the equation, I should write here gradient first, then I need to form an equation here. Okay, now let's form the equation. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Gradient is 4, and we know that it passes through region, so x and y both are 0. So gradient is 4x minus 0, y equals to 4x. This is the second equation of the line L2. This is basically equation of L2, and this is the equation for L1. Alright, next B part, find the coordinate of R. To find the coordinate of R, we can equate both the equations, L1 and L2. This is equation of L2. So let's equate both the equation minus 1 over 4x plus 34 over 4 and simultaneous equation here to get the value of x and y. Substitute 2 in 1. Okay. So if I substitute 2 in 1, so this would be 4x equals 2. Okay, let's write here 4x equals 2 minus 1 over 4x plus 34 over 4. Let me recheck, is it so? Yes, minus 1 over 4x plus 34 over 4. Okay. So find the value of x. 4x plus 1 over 4x equals to 34 over 4. Collect like terms. You can use a calculator here. It doesn't matter. 34 over 4. So 4, you can simplify. This is 17x equals to 34. And x equals to 34 over 17. And x equals to 2. Alright, the value of x is 2. Now I need to find out the value of y. So pick any one of the equation, either 1 or 2. I feel that the equation 2 is easy. So y equals to 4x. Let's substitute the value of x to get value of y. So y equals to 4x, and 4 we just got 2. And so y is 8. Alright, so the coordinate of R is 2 and 8. Yeah, that's it for B part. Now question C part is left over. Find the exact area for triangle OPQ. Exact area for triangle, so it means I don't need decimal, I need the exact area. OPQ. Okay, if I join this together, OPQ to OPQ. May erase it. Draw a line again. OPQ. It's a triangle OPQ. So I can see that PQ is the base of this triangle. Okay, and OR is the perpendicular distance, because this line is perpendicular to L1. So OR is the perpendicular and PQ is the base. So let's find the distance of PQ and OR. Let me draw the triangle to get the idea. So length of PQ. I know that P is minus 2 and 9, and Q is 10 and 6. 10 and 6. This is 10. Let me rewrite. Find the length of PQ. So use the formula x2 minus x1 to find the distance, plus y2 minus y1 whole squared, and a square root. Remember, I need to give the answer in exact form. So x2 minus x1, so 10 plus 10 minus minus 2, which is 12, and 6 minus 9, which is negative 3, and negative 3 squared is 9. So this would be 144 plus 9, and that is 153. So length of PQ is 153. Now I'm going to find out the length of OR. O is the origin, R is 2, 8. We just got R. So let's do it here. R is 2, 8, and O is the origin. So if you subtract from 0, you'll get the same thing. So 2 squared plus 8 squared, which is 4 plus 64, and that is 68. Alright, and square root of 68. Definitely, I do not have to give the answer in decimal form. I need to find the exact value. So 68, let's check out. Let's write down the prime factors of 68. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. I'm doing a ladder method. You can use the tree method. I'm just trying to write down in the exact form. So you can use a calculator. So 68, if you write in a calculator, so root 68 is basically 2 root 17. So 2 root 17 directly by using a calculator. If you do it mentally, so you can get here. So this is 2. So 2 root 17 is the same thing. Okay, so here you need to find out the area of a triangle OPQ, area of a triangle OPQ, which is half into base into height, and height is OR, and that I got here 2 root 17, and base we got root 100. How much is the base? We just got here a base. Let me squeeze it. Yeah, root 153. Yeah, so let's write down here 1/2 times root 153. So root 153, you can check what it is. Same thing, just write in a calculator, or you can do prime factorization. 153 is 3 root 17. So 1/2 times 3 root 17 times 2 root 17. So which is 1/2 times 3 to the 6. Root 17 times root 17 is root 17. And if you multiply it, you'll get here 51. So area of a triangle is 51 centimeters squared. Alright, let me check. Is it centimeter or what? Unit squared. Okay, so let's erase it. Nothing is given here, so let's write down the unit squared. This was question number 5 from paper January 2024 Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics paper 1. To watch more questions on this paper, go to the playlist. You will find the remaining questions over there. Thank you very much for watching, and see you. Bye bye.